Oh, good. On the teeth. Hi, Malpals. So today we are talking about the perfect nude glossy lip combos. We are talking lip liners, lipsticks, and a gloss that perfectly complements that look already. I have been way over matte lips for quite some time, and I've just loved finding different combinations to create the perfect nude glossy lip. So the first combination that I absolutely love is MAC's Lip Pencil in Oak. I will line my lips with this. I really love this on its own as well, but I will line my lips with that. And then right over that, I will apply MAC's Naturally Transformed Lipstick. I love this shade. I don't know, I've never heard anybody else talk about it. I love that it's like a yellowy undertone. It makes your teeth look very white, but it's a different type of nude that makes you stop and go, oh, girl, what you got on your lips, even when you look at yourself in the mirror. So I really, really love this. And like I said, it is a matte formula. And just MAC's Oak and Naturally Transformed are beautiful together on their own. But right over that, I will apply MAC's Lip Glass in the shade Chai. Now, this is a really beautiful kind of yellowy / gray toned lip gloss. I really love MAC's lip glosses. I don't feel like they're as sticky as they used to be. I don't mind a sticky gloss. I actually prefer a sticky gloss because I feel like they last longer. But that's not necessarily the case with the glosses that I have picked out today. I actually don't have any sticky glosses picked out today. I feel like this creates kind of a unique shade of lipstick, lip gloss. It's just a beautiful, different color combination. Oh, good. On the teeth. So this next combination is more of a pinky nude lip, a little bit mauve, but still nude. This lip combo, I start with Marc Jacobs Pout Liner in Primrose. This is an absolute staple if I'm going to wear mauve or pinky nude lips. I love his lip pencil formulas. I have purchased and repurchased many. And then right over that, I have been loving wearing MAC's lipstick in the shade And right over that is another lip gloss from MAC. That is Patrick Starr's lip gloss in She Better Work. I love this lip combo. I think it's very feminine, yet still nude, but gives you a little color if you're craving something a little more than just a nude. Now, this lip combo might be my favorite out of all of these, but these are all favorites. But I absolutely love this type of nude. It's a little bit browny, but it's still nude because this is what I do. Start out with Hourglass's Lip Pencil in Eden. If you've been watching my videos for the past 1,000 years, you know this is one of my favorite all-time lip liners. So I will apply that to my lips, and then right over that, I will apply MAC's lipstick in Double Shot. This is their amplified formula, so it's a little glossy on its own. You could really get away with a glossy nude with MAC's amplified formulas, but they do dry down to a little bit of a matte. But I absolutely love Double Shot. It's a very unique shade in itself. But to give that nude kind of plumping effect, I will apply Kylie's lip gloss in So Cute right over that, but I will only apply the product in the center of the lips and then work that out towards the outer corners. So really the center of the lips is where the majority of that light shade is, to give the illusion of fuller, bigger lips. So I think this lip combo is a very great go-to when you just want to feel like a bombshell and just wear beautiful makeup. I don't know, maybe even like Valentine's Day. I just think this is a bombshell type of nude glossy lip. The last nude glossy lip combo that I chose for you guys is this beautiful, warm, almost muted red nude. So for this lip combo, I start out with MAC's Hover Lip Pencil. I am realizing literally every single lip combo that I'm showing you guys today have been MAC lipsticks. Hey, MAC lipsticks are really great, and I will tell you this, you really can't beat MAC lipsticks for the price. So moving on from that was a happy accident. But I will start out with MAC's Lip Pencil in Hover. And then right over that, I love applying Mocha. That's actually just a great combo on its own. This is MAC's Satin Formula, so you can definitely wear this just whatever. But today it's about glossy lips, so it's not whatever. Let's get to the gloss. This is actually one that I recently picked up. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the shade Amber. I went in for butterscotch or undressed. And I got undressed in this one, and this was kind of like a really happy surprise. It's a really beautiful kind of deep peach lip gloss. It's beautiful on its own, but I really love it with this lip combo. I think it's a really beautiful lip overall. And that's one thing. I love lip gloss, but I never wear it on its own, because when I wear lip gloss just with my lips, it just looks like my lips have disappeared. So that's why I really wanted to share with you the glossy lip combos that I've been loving lately. I would love to know your favorite glossy lip combos, and they don't have to be nudes. I also love a dark glossy lip, so let me know in the comments below. Today is the last day you can get your I Got the Bread t-shirts. They will no longer be on sale after today, so make sure you get yours. They're super soft and super cute, and hey, treat yourself. The Chronically Fabulous baseball tees are back. They sold out for a while, and they are back. I was able to make them again, so there's that. And also, I've launched a few new necklaces. New ones will not be permanent, just what I've made, and after that's sold out, that's gonna be it. So make sure you check out the new launches on 1712shop.com, because they are not permanent. I think I'm really honestly enjoying making original pieces, and once they sell out, than like making the same thing over and over, even though every piece means something to me. I think that may be how it goes for a while, and why not? It's my store, right? So do what I want and stop trying to please everybody, because that makes your life miserable. Thank you so much for joining me today, Malpals. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in Wednesday's video, which is a short, really fun hair tutorial that you can do when you are in a rush. It is my go-to. It looks simple, but there are definitely some tricks to make it beautiful, and I will stop talking about that now, but I will see you then and on my vlog channel on Saturday. See you guys Wednesday. Goodbye.